Hello, today we will guide you through how to change seats on Ryanair flight. We'll walk you through the on-site flow so you can reach the seating screen and adjust your seat with confidence. Start by opening the official Ryanair website. This ensures you're using the latest layout, prices, and seat map. On the homepage, locate the Flight Search panel. In the From field, choose your departure airport. Then, in the To field, pick your destination. Next, set your date range by selecting the outbound and, if needed, the return dates. Taking a second to confirm the correct airports and dates here helps you avoid backtracking later. Once your details look right, click. Search. Ryanair will load available flights for the dates you chose. You'll see options for outbound flights first. Select the flight that best fits your schedule and budget. If you're booking a round trip, you'll then be prompted to select your return flight as well. Pick the return option that suits you, keeping in mind connection times and arrival hours. After choosing flights, you'll see fare bundles. To keep things straightforward, continue with the basic fare. This choice keeps the process simple and lets you handle seat selections separately, which is ideal if your goal is to change or confirm seating without adding extras you don't need. You'll now be asked to enter passenger details. Type the information exactly as it appears on your travel documents. Double-check spelling, dates, and any middle names to prevent issues during check-in. If you require special assistance, look for the relevant prompts so the airline can accommodate you. When your details are complete, click Continue. Follow the on-screen procedure that appears next. This is where the seat map typically becomes available. On the seat map, select the seat you want for your outbound flight. If you're changing from a previously assigned seat, click your current seat and choose a new one. Repeat the process for the return leg if applicable. Some seats may include an additional fee, which will be shown before you confirm. If you need to sit with a travel companion, pick adjacent seats before moving on, as popular rows fill quickly. Before proceeding, review your chosen seats on both legs to ensure they're correct. Then continue through the prompts to save your changes. When you're done, keep an eye out for an updated confirmation or check your trip overview to verify your new seat numbers are listed. That's it. Your seats are now updated and ready for your journey.